Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to see all the posts you have commented on Instagram. You can do this on all type of accounts on Instagram. To do this, open up your Instagram app, then tap on your profile tab at the bottom right. Next, tap on the three lines at the top right. From here, tap on your activity. Then from this list, tap on interactions. Here, tap on comments. On this page, you'll see all the posts you have commented on throughout your time on Instagram. You can sort and filter the comments as per newest to oldest, or apply a time range, example start date and an end date. And that is how to see all the posts you have commented on Instagram. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit that like button, and most importantly, please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.